Hey, what's up everybody? It's Spencer. We're out here in my workshop today and I'm gonna be showing you how I build a gas tank for this. That's a Tigercraft M1 jet ski hull that I recently got out of New Jersey, and it had a pod epoxied into the bottom of it for a Rad Dude's tank, I believe. And rather than buying one of those, I figured it'd be kind of fun just to build one myself. I'm always looking for a good excuse to practice some aluminum welding, so I got some scrap material and uh, I'm gonna lay it out with cardboard and cut it out with super simple tools, something that any one of you could do at home if you have a welding machine and basic hand tools. I'm not gonna make it super complicated or anything like that. No CAD drawings or anything. I'm just gonna do it with cardboard templates. So let me know if you have any questions or anything, and I hope you enjoy. So now that we have our basic sketch here, I mean, this is as simple as it gets. The biggest difficulty that I'm going to have with this thing is on the bottom right here. I do have these two angles with the right side. If you're looking at the tank from the engine, like from where you're standing, uh, I'm going to have to extend this angle out further to give me the 11 inches of width that I want offset towards the right, so that way I have plenty of room for my exhaust and everything. When you're building stuff like this, especially me, I mean, you don't have to do it this way, but I really want the thing to be as easy to work on as possible. I'm shooting for a tank around 4.5 to 5 gallons. I'm not sure how close to that I'm gonna get, but I want it to be able to be taken out relatively easy because these things are so cramped when you're working on them. Something's got to give. So if I can make the tank easy to pull in and out, then I can work on the rest of it. But since the bottom's the most complicated part, um, I just went ahead and made like a simple cardboard template for it. And this is just out of a piece of cardboard that I was using earlier for another template, but I made myself a note here, to extend this wing out further. I kind of just scribed a simple bend line on there, and I'll do all that on my welding bench here after a while.